Hi, David Wright here, and today I'm down on the beach here in Retmar where I live. Okay, so I want to talk a little bit about this online training course that I've been doing, how to teach English to the Spanish people. Now, some of you know I've been on this course since October, November last year. I finished all the training now and I've got my name on their main website as one of their teachers. I started teaching classes here a little while ago now, and I've got 5 students. I do 3-4 hours a week on this training. I do it at my own home, or you can do this online. I've got no training experience at all before of this. Done the course, I'm now qualified, and I'm making around €400 a month teaching English to the Spanish people. So if I can do this, anyone can do it. We have online training. There's stuff that you can go through on the online training site. Also, every Thursday night we have online training where we further ourselves with our teachers and the instructors, helping us through the classes, telling us what to do and overcoming any problems we might have had during that week. So if you want to know how to make some extra income teaching English to the Spanish, no reading, no writing, click the link below this video. There's a website there that shows you exactly how you can do it, and you can get started for just €7 today.